All right, y'all. So it is October 3rd, and we have our sweet potatoes right here in front of us, and we are going to harvest these sweet potatoes today. Um, I think I planted these back in early June. So July, August, September. Look, we're close at that 100-day 100-day mark. The reason I'm doing it today is because our nights here in zone 7 are getting down into the 40s, and so I don't want to jeopardize losing any potatoes. So we're going to go ahead and harvest them today. And also, I've been seeing some peek out from the ground anyway. So we're going to go ahead and get started trying to harvest and see what we got. So as you can see, I'm just going to be removing this netting. Ooh, looky here. So initially I started my sweet potatoes just on this half of the bed, and as you can see, its vines then took over the whole dang on bed. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and start by just cutting the vines, which they say you can eat some of the leaves. I don't know, I ain't never tried that, but maybe I will. This one don't look too bad. You know, they say it tastes like spinach once you saute them, so I may keep a couple and try it out. Anyway, I hope we don't be disappointed with the outcome. Woo! Okay. See little baby sweet potatoes right there. Oh man, it's gonna take a while. Oh, here's one.
Oh, that's a little one
Here's
right
a
there.
little one.
That's even ready.
Yeah. Looking for some big ones. All right, let's keep going. Maybe I should keep it in the ground. Maybe it ain't ready. I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be, I said maybe I should keep these in the ground. They not so big. But they don't have a lot of roots on them, so this might be the biggest they get. I don't know. We're gonna keep pushing through.
All right, let's see. Let's take a look at it. Good look at it real quick.
It's nice and hard, and
Let me see. Good look at this.
Got some potatoes right here.
Oh, let me try for that.
Oh, look at that. Wow, look at this.
A few baby ones right there. I don't know about that.
Look how huge this is. Good gracious. Oh my. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Holy smoke.
Quite a few back down there, ain't it?
Wow. Look at these. Overgrown. I guess I should have been got these, huh?
They look pretty good, pretty healthy.
Wow, look at this. Beautiful.
Let me see. I'll to the camera real quick here.
Perfect. Oh, here's some babies.
Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, here's something. Here's potato. It's a little. Oh. Wow, here we go again. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Holy smoke. Look at this. Oh, I broke it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a big one.
Look at this. Okay, wait a minute. I gotta be careful.
Okay, we're going to inspect all this before we start making some sweet potato pies or something.
Honey, these are good. Yeah, I broke that little piece right there,
You
but
sure did broke it. That's okay.
that's all right.
This will be the first one we break open. This is pretty good. Pretty
Look
nice and heavy too. Got some nice weight to it. Good. Well, not
This one
too
got
heavy.
a little bit of exposure to the sun.
That little piece of see.
Got a little green. That's okay. The rest of them good.
Okay.
There's some more down there we gotta get.
Okay.
Oh,
What the
where's the
world?
scissors? I'm gonna cut
I don't know
this
what
off
that
instead of
thing
trying to
is.
rip it. Look at that. Oh. This one was growing. That one looked like it broke a little bit.
So you feel more? Oh, okay.
Feel more.
Like the garden bed is having a baby. Some babies.
Oh, I
Baby.
feel it way down here. Holy crap. They're deep in here. They're deep. They're not that big, but I thought I felt some more.
I'm gonna put this camera down real quick and help you dig for gold.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we are taking a break to show y'all how much we've collected so far. I don't even know how many pounds this is, but we are not even done digging. Look how big this is. Gigantic.
Yeah, got quite a few big ones in there.
And this is just the beginning. And we still have more to dig. And we still have a couple of grow bags to go through.
This is ridiculous. Okay.
So,
Yeah, so like she's saying, we gotta finish digging for gold in this one raised bed. Then we're gonna move over to our raised bed,
grow bags.
grow bags,
Yeah.
with some more sweet potatoes. So I'm not sure. You said we don't got no scale, so I don't know how many pounds this is. So once we all said and done, but just completing the process. All right, you guys. We'll see y'all a little bit later.
All right, so I just wanted to show y'all what we found. One of our potatoes that we pulled out of the ground is growing slips on it. As you can see here,
Oh, let me take a look.
there's 1, 2, 3, 4 slips.
Yeah, let the phone focus. Okay, there you go.
Yeah,
There
so
you go.
I also heard that you can grow sweet potatoes indoors and it won't actually grow. So what I think I might do with these is plant these indoors and have them grow throughout the summer, throughout the winter. And then come spring or whatever, plant them out in the garden or in a grow bag. So we'll see.
Okay, turn it a little bit.
But yeah, even in the ground, sweet potatoes still grow slips. Wow.
Wow, it looked like almost like a, get reminded of onions that we got in there. Okay.
There you go. Nice, beautiful. Oh.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay, so here we are. We are now at one of my pots that I have sweet potatoes growing in. But as you can see, I also have some regular potato leaves in here as well. So we got a combination of sweet potatoes and potatoes. Not sure how that happened, but anyway.
So we're gonna start cutting this.
Oh, there's a sweet potato right there.
There's sweet potato right there on top.
Let's just go ahead and, oh, that's just one
There's
bite.
another sweet potato.
Wow. Oh, that one got a hole in it.
Pause. Stop. Okay, we back at you. And look, something eating on one of our sweet potatoes here. You see that big old grown man bite right there? That's crazy.
Yeah, but this is a pretty big potato, so hopefully it's still good, and we're gonna just chop all that off.
Yeah.
Okay, so boom, let's keep it moving.
Okay.
All right, so I'll hold this and you go ahead and
pause real quick. You go ahead.
ooh, don't tear it up.
Try not to tear it up.
Some potatoes in there.
Man, things.
They in there
I'm not
good.
trying to rip it up.
Dump that whole thing over. They in there. There we go. See, the potatoes are all at the bottom. Hey, Jenna, they on the side too. Ooh, I think that's a big one too. And this here is from one sweet potato slip that I had planted in this one pot. Don't break it, please. We got a habit of breaking potatoes. Oh, here's one. There's that one that someone took a bite out of, or something, I should say.
Oh, see, I did break it.
Dang it.
See, I broke it. cut this off right here.
Still got a couple of big ones in there. See a whole bunch of them.
It's a little one. Okay. Yeah, probably one, few of these. Let's see here. Oh, but I bet they sweet though.
Mm-hmm.
Bet they sweet. It might be it. Let me see.
I feel like you're losing a couple of small ones down there. All right, so this is our grow bag and our last pot of sweet potatoes. I think this was just one slip too. One slip as well. I see a potato right there. Look like the sun got to it a little bit. Ooh, there we go. All right, you want to just dump this?
Yeah. Let's dump this real quick. See what we got.
So quite a few already, I see.
Not trying to tear it up, so
This ain't the best angle at all.
stuck in there. All right, about to come.
Push the baby out.
All right there. It's called a sweet potato.
I know I saw some big ones at the top now. Me and Benny still out here harvesting sweet potatoes.
Wowzers.
Yeah. So let me call you back because we're recording.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
This called right here. This is called dinner. Right here. Okay, this one right here. This is the one that was sitting on top with the sun showing on it a little bit. We should have had dirt on top of it, but we didn't. So we're gonna cut this off, and it's gonna be a nice little side dish. Nice little dinner right here. Got another one. Guess somebody else gonna be eating some sweet potatoes tonight too. Oh, but we gotta harden it first, right?
Yeah, that's for
Okay.
long-term storage. But if
Oh,
we're gonna
long-term
eat
storage.
them, don't need to do all that. What else we got?
Are we making any sweet potato pies?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Oh, there's one. Oh,
Nah. That might be it. Hold up, wait a minute.
that's all?
Oh, nope.
How many was that? Not grow bag. We only got like 3 or 4. No, how many? About 5? 4 or 5 really large potatoes.
That might be it.
Okay, we'll add it to the bunch.
Yep. We still gotta go back over there and get the other sweet potatoes out the garden bed. So, cause that wasn't it. We had more. We just got tired harvesting. Got tired harvesting the sweet potatoes, so we just took a break. Figured we'd knock these out real quick since we knew it's not gonna be a lot. So, just want to make sure. Put my hand all in this. Some good soil, I'll tell you that much. Good soil for next year. Good soil for next year, so. All right, guys.
Okay, gang, so this is our final results. Of our sweet potato harvest. This is probably from a total of, well, 1 raised bed and 2 pots. I'm recording. Okay. And yeah, we're excited. Had a lot of large ones, plenty of small ones, but overall, job well done this year. All right. A few onions there too. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of the night where we've collected all of our sweet potatoes. And now we're going to go through the process of curing them, which is a process in which we harden them off so that they can heal up from any bruising and any wounds that they may have, and so that they don't rot, and so that they will last in long-term storage. So the process, of course, consists of putting it in a room that's about 80 to 85 degrees with similar types of humidity. So since we've just started, our room hasn't quite reached the temperature yet. We have a little heater here that we have in our room. Also, a little humidifier right here that we're using to bring up the room to the right temperature and the right humidity. So we're gonna keep it curing for about a week to 10 days, and then we can put it into our long-term storage, which shall last for a few months. But knowing us, we probably won't keep it that long. We're gonna probably be eating on it. And definitely make some sweet potato pies and some yams for the upcoming holidays. So, all right then, until next time, happy growing.